And moving on, governments at the COP29 talks approved on Monday new UN standards for international carbon markets in a key step forward towards allowing countries to trade credits to meet their climate targets. On the opening day of the UN climate talks in Azerbaijan, nearly 200 nations agreed a number of crucial ground rules for setting a market in motion, breaking a years-long deadlock over contentious carbon markets. However, other key aspects of the overall framework still need to be negotiated, including creation of a robust market for high-quality credits. The International Emissions Trading Association, a business group that backs global carbon markets, has said total trading in the UN-backed market could by 2030 generate $250 billion a year and cut 5 billion metric tons of carbon output annually. While Monday's deal could allow a UN-backed global carbon market to start up as soon as next year, the benchmarks adopted in Baku will allow for the development of rules, including calculating how many credits a given project can receive. Let us now tell you what is carbon credit and how does it work. Well, carbon credits were devised as a mechanism to reduce greenhouse gas or GHG emissions by creating a market in which companies can trade in emissions permits. Companies receive a set number of carbon credits under the system that decline over time. They can sell any access to other companies. Also, carbon credits create a monetary incentive for companies to reduce their carbon emissions. Those that can't easily reduce emissions can still operate, but at a higher financial cost. One credit allows the emission of 1 ton of carbon dioxide or the equivalent of other greenhouse gases. Proponents of the carbon credit system say that it leads to measurable, verifiable emissions reduction, with the ultimate goal of reducing the emission of GHGs into the atmosphere. Examples of projects could include cultivation of CO2-absorbing mangroves or distribution of clean stoves to replace polluting methods of cooking in poor rural communities.